Hi friends! Thanks for tuning in. If you like this video, please give it a like, comment below, and take a moment to subscribe to our channel. Welcome to Lebret, in the beautiful Qu'Appelle Valley of Saskatchewan. This small and peaceful community sits along the shore of Mission Lake, surrounded by rolling hills and calm waters. Lebret is one of the oldest settlements in the province, first established in the 1860s as a Roman Catholic mission. The town is named after Father Lebret, a priest who helped build the mission and worked with local indigenous communities. One of the most famous sites here is the Sacred Heart Church, built in the early 1900s with its tall steeple standing proudly on the hill. Not far from town, you'll also find the historic Stations of the Cross, a path of stone crosses leading up the hillside with a beautiful view of the valley. The Qu'Appelle Valley itself is a special place carved by ancient glaciers with sparkling lakes and rich history tied to the Cree and Saulteaux peoples. Today, Lebret is a quiet spot where people come to enjoy fishing, boating, hiking, and peaceful prairie sunsets. Thank you for joining us on this tour of Lebret, Saskatchewan. Thanks for watching.